Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel for this Q&A series. The idea of starting this Q&A series is to have the community which we have built here on YouTube more engaging, and I also wanted to connect with you. So feel free to ask your questions in the comments below with the hashtag AskNisaHomey so that it will be grouped together and much easier for me. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the questions. So the first question is from Subarna Bhattacharji. Hey Subarna, thank you so much for being here. She wants to know whether Amba Haldi or Kasturi Haldi is the same. Both the Haldis are different. Amba Haldi is also known as mango ginger, which is most commonly used to make chutneys, pickles, etc. Kasturi Haldi, known as wild turmeric, is mainly used for external applications, like you can use wild turmeric powder to make a face mask or a body scrub. So this is wild turmeric root and this is ordinary turmeric root. So as you can see, the wild turmeric, when you break it, you can see that it is almost cream in color, and the ordinary turmeric has a deep orange color. Wild turmeric also has a distinct flavor, so which the ordinary turmeric does not have. You can just sun dry this and then powder it in the local mill. You can do the same with the turmeric root also. You just have to sun dry it for a couple of days, and once it is nicely dried up, you can give it to the local mill to get it powdered. The next question is by Shalini S. Hi Shalini, thank you so much for being here. So she wants to know, what is the best cheese to use, keeping in mind about fat and cholesterol? Few spicy crunchy recipes for evening snacks. Is air fryer a good option? We'll add more questions in few days. So Shalini, the best cheese would be homemade paneer. You can make paneer at home. You can spice in or flavor the paneer when you are making it, and soft flavored paneer can be spread on a toast or whole wheat roti. Homemade paneer can be used as a filling for parathas or as a filling for doshas. Paneer is rich in calcium, omega-3s, and it is a much healthier alternative. About evening snacks, I have already shared some spicy snacks on my channel. I will also leave some links in the description box below this video. About air fryer, I'm not a big fan of air fryer. The next question is by Saloni Mitra. Do you have any healthy food tips for students living in hostel, PG? Hey Saloni, so glad you stopped by and I hope you're doing well. Healthy eating in hostels are very challenging, unlike how it was in the early 90s when I was a student. The things you can do is bring in some snacks from your home, like a granola maybe or matri. You can ask your mom to make some healthy snacks for you. I have already shared some healthy snacks on my channel. The links will be updated in the description box below this video. Other options are roasted makhanas, fried matris, but make sure you use desi ghee to fry the matri. Now when you have some homemade snacks with you, you can avoid snacking on biscuits and fried chips. Another thing you can do is you can stock up on dry fruits and fresh seasonal fruits. Always try to have a small container of assorted dry fruits in your bag so that you can snack healthy. The second question by Saloni Mitra is, can you make a video about Draw My Life? Well Saloni, I've never thought about it, but I might do it sometime in the future. Third question by Saloni is, I have visited different regions of South India various times as a tourist, but the food there did not suit my stomach. I'm guessing it is the coconut oil or curry leaves or tamarind used in all dishes. I get a bad diarrhea every time and I have to survive on only plain rice and packaged foods. I'm from Bengal. Can you please make some healthy versions of traditional recipes from the other parts of India as well? Well Saloni, I'm guessing your problem must be because of having hotel food. The tip I would like to give to you, especially if you're traveling to South India, is to have idlis and doshas. Like idlis are steamed and they are one of the healthiest food, and idlis and doshas are more healthier and lighter on the stomach. Yes Saloni, I will try to share more healthy traditional recipes. Now the next question is from Preeti Rao. Please suggest some diet plan for people suffering from thyroid and asthma. Hey Preeti, thank you so much for being here with your question. About your query, Most of my recipes are thyroid friendly unless I state otherwise in the description box below that particular video. That being said, my what I eat in a day video can be seen as a meal plan. The next question is from Tuliga Nandi. Your tips and process are really great. I am a new subscriber to your channel. Thank you so much, Tuliga, for subscribing to my channel and being a part of my journey. I came across your turmeric tea recipe for thyroid weight loss because I'm suffering from hypothyroidism and weight gain. Started your turmeric tea recipe intake from today onwards. Just few queries, request your reply for the same. The first query is, instead of turmeric powder, I bought dried turmeric roots available in supermarkets, and I did make a rough paste in mixie with water because it was too dry and used it while making the tea. Will it be having the similar effect as per your tea recipe? Since the paste was more in quantity, can I store for few days? If yes, how many days? Is turmeric paste perishable? Well, Tuliga, since you blended the turmeric paste with water, it is perishable, so you need to keep it in the refrigerator. Another option is you can get the turmeric roots powdered in the local mill, and the turmeric powder will stay good for up to a year. And using turmeric paste for the tea will have the same effect as my recipe. But one thing you have to make sure is that you need to add in little bit of pepper powder when you are making the paste, if at all you are making the paste. Or you can add in the pepper powder while making the tea. Like a big fat pinch of pepper powder will really help in better absorption of turmeric. So you need to remember that whenever you make a turmeric tea, always make sure you add in little bit of pepper powder. This applies to each and every one of you who is making my turmeric tea recipe. Always make sure that you add black pepper powder, and adding little fat also helps in better absorption as turmeric is fat soluble. So you can add in little bit of desi ghee or little bit of virgin coconut oil. These two things will really help in better absorption of turmeric. In this video I just randomly picked 6 questions, and since I'm planning to make this as a Q&A series, I will be answering your questions in the next video. So guys, thank you so much for the overwhelming love and support. Your love and support always makes me to create better content for you. So thank you all so much for the immense love you have given me. And make sure you leave your comments with the hashtag #AskNisaHomey so that it will be grouped together and much easier for me. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.